defendant, the hero. Please welcome Mohammad Wasim.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our very own Mohammad Wasim.
Mohammad Wasim. आइए मोहम्मद वसीम.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ख़वातीनो हज़रात. Our very own Mohammad Wasim. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mohammad Wasim, and thank you for bringing us the honor. And now I would request at the end, Lieutenant General Fayaz Hussain Shah Hilal Imtiaz, Military Commander 4 Corps, to present championship memento to our honorable chief guest, the Chief Minister of Punjab, Mohtarama Maryam Nawaz.
Now we would request our chief guest, Chief Minister पंजाब मरियम नवाज साहिबा को हम यहाँ पर दावत देंगे कि वो आएं और अपने
And please
ख्यालात
say
का
a few
इज़हार
words.
करें.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening, everyone. Well done, Pakistan. Thank you, Champ Wasim, for making us proud, for doing Pakistan proud. Well done. Well done. What a spectacular show. What a riveting spectacle. It was a nail-biting finish. And I saw hands raising in prayers. I saw on the screen mothers praying. So, Alhamdulillah, Pakistan secured this victory. But I'd like to thank Field Marshal General Asim Munir, I'd like to thank Pakistan Army, the Corps Commander of Lahore, and the Government of Punjab, whose collaboration made this happen. Ladies and gentlemen, one would be a winner, the other I wouldn't call loser, but the other wouldn't win. But I am so happy. I understand what it takes to secure a victory. A lot of hard work, a lot of practice, a lot of discipline, a lot of sweat and toil, a lot of skill. But on the other hand, it takes indomitable will. It takes a lot of courage to fall and rise, to keep falling and keep rising, even when you are battered, bruised, injured. That's the beauty of this game. So, ladies and gentlemen, the show must go on. We must keep going. And it is very good to see Pakistan reclaiming its glory. And please promise me, all Pakistanis sitting here, please promise me that you will always hold the flag, the Pakistani green and white flag high. You will never let your country down. Congratulations to all the 16 countries that have participated in this beautiful competition. Congratulations, England. Congratulations, Thailand. And congratulations, Pakistan. Very well done. And please say with me, Pakistan! Pakistan Hamesha Zindabad. Pakistan Hamesha Zindabad. And well done. Thank you.